morning, students. How are you? What about today? Nice? Everybody? Okay. Today, till today, we have learned a lot of subjects, topics, everything. Today, we are going to learn the first lesson and the first class of this academic year. We have not taken any class in English. We are 6th standard. We are sitting in a new classroom. That is why virtual classroom. All students are there gathering, sitting in one class. In these situations, because of that, our atmosphere is not able to come and sit physically. Physical gatherings is not allowed now because of the problems of corona. This worldwide spread virus have affected every part of our life. So that the time is very important, especially the students' time is very important, so that we are using these virtual methods, virtual classrooms for learning. So you maximum utilize your time for study and further details of your chapters, and do more and more depend upon your chapters. Especially, I want to say to you, I want to request you, this is our language, this is English. English is global language. We want to able to communicate in English freely and frequently, spontaneously and spontaneously. We want to increase our word power, vocabulary, and usage, terms, everything. So you want to do, or you want to spend more time in your free. After engaging your topics every day, we are sharing through our WhatsApp group. You want to spend your time for increasing, for developing, for improving your language capacity. Okay, so that this is language, so we don't want to we don't want to discuss the previous lessons, so because of that, there is not interconnected with the previous lessons. Okay, listen, this is unit 1, making a living. Making a living, simple words. Make, what the meaning of make, what's the meaning of live. This is ing form, making a living. Warm. We can, through these lines, look at the pictures given below. Identify the professions or professionals given in them with the help of the list given below. Choose the occupation you would most like to make your career. Might or might not be one of the few shown below. Justify your choice in about 5 sentences. There are 8 pictures, and what type of professions and professionals are here representing, these are mentioned below. You just check these images. And write the correct professions for that picture. Okay, you apply the correct form of career, form of professions to these pictures. You write in your notebook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then what type of this? Doctor means doctor. Okay, like that you want to fill this all of these pictures. Okay, then I want to share to you what we already taken the second part. We taken means we are shared, we uploaded, but this first part is unable to upload because of technical problem. So I am taking this class, retaking this class, so that some of the students are sent me the homework, but others are not. Who have not sent me the homework, me or class teacher the homework, you should send after completing your homework. Okay, and also one more activities are also here, that is why, what type of career, what type of professions are you requiring in your future, are you aiming your future, are you making or choosing, you are ready to choose an occupation and a professional in your future, what type of that you should write? Doctor, engineer, music engineer, teacher, and software engineer, anywhere, what kind of your ambition that you would write, and justify your occupation, your ambition, your aim within 5 sentences. Okay, these 2 words are there, I am giving before entering my class. Okay, then listen. Unit 1, making a living. Then section 1, first chapter, the best job in the world. This meaning also the best job in the world. Okay, the best job in the world. Listen. How would you like to have a job that made you feel you were on an extended vacation? Listen, how would you like to have a job that made you feel you were on an extended vacation? In all children, all students, especially boys, are thinking when they are when they are in vacation, oh, what type of job we can do? Oh, their shop, that shop is half an vacancy, he join them here, like that. So how would you like to take a job in your vacation time? Then here Ben Southall, about Ben Southall's an interview or an application, we are discussing about it in this paragraph, and what type of applications are required, are sent, are published in world level magazines, what type of applications, the model of applications is given below. I think you are understand. Can you follow me? Can you? Yes. These first few lines are discussing about Ben Southall, who won the interview of the application of best job in the world, caretaker. And after that, this this part that is the application or the form of application, what type of jobs are required, are published in the world level magazines, newspaper. Okay, just we can go through these lines. In May 2009, Ben Southall of the United Kingdom, UK, is living in UK, won a global competition organized by the Tourism Department of Queensland, Australia. In Australia, Tourism Department of Queensland is conducted a competition for selecting best job in the world. In that competition was won or selected by the authority, Ben Southall. Okay, and became the official caretaker of island in the Great Barrier Reef. In Great Barrier Reef, he was selected, he was formed, he became, who Ben Southard became the official caretaker of islands. He beats over 35,000, you know, 35,000, 35,000 from 200 countries. He beaten how many applicants are there? 35,000 from various countries, 200 countries, to win the best job in the world. Apart from having an outdoor office on some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Ben also got a generous salary. Salaries got free housing in a luxurious villa. Free housing where? In a luxurious villa. And transportation around the island. He can travel. He can transport over the island anywhere he can go. What a pity. What a pity. But there is a problem. What is the problem? The job was for only 6 months. This contract only for 6 months. These types of different characteristics, differentials are there in the job. Because of that, it is a housing, luxurious life, high salary, and everything will be getting in this job. But that's only for 6 months. Because of that, the contract is only for 6 months. Am I correct? Can you? Okay. Then